and you're welcome to 2 Minutes Talk with Odurole Mojibola. And today we are going to be discussing consistency. What does it mean to be consistent? Before I move on, I would like to let you know I have a 3 weeks intensive training that is presently going on. You have to consistently update yourself on the new and trendy designs so that you don't become obsolete. I'm sure you want to see what it means to be consistent. Sit back and I'm gonna be right back. So like I said about my 3 weeks intensive course, it's going to be for 3 weeks. We are on day 6 today. You can still join. You won't be missing anything. It's just 3,000 naira. Honestly, I don't want you to miss this. I want you to see it as an opportunity to upgrade yourself. Yes, when I say consistency, what does it mean? Consistency is actually an act of being consistent. Now, let us look at what it means to be consistent. Consistent, according to the English dictionary, is acting or done in the same way over time, especially so as to be fair or accurate. If consistency is doing a particular thing over and over again to be accurate and fair, how accurate are you when it comes to your business? When it comes to making yourself known, marketing your business, how consistent are you? The last time you posted on your personal Facebook account, can you even remember? Nobody seems to know you are into what you are doing just because you are not consistent. When a customer refer another customer, you didn't treat them well so they could not come back again. I want you to know that you can't afford to mismanage your business. You cannot afford not to register for new opportunity to learn new skill just because you want to get yourself consistent. Now, I want you to see my students. She has been very consistent. She just joined the class and she has been so consistent. How consistent are you? On my YouTube channel, it's a free one. How consistent are you? How consistent do you practice? How consistently do you ensure that at least you lay your hands on what you have learned? Do you also know that the secret to your future is hidden in your consistency? Do you know that consistency beats talent? Challenge you to be more consistent today and see the kind of improvement you will see in whatever business you get yourself involved in. Thank you so much for being part of today's talk. I am going to see you next time. Bye.